Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to redeem codes in Honkai Star Rail. So here we are in game, and if you are on an Android, you will be able to click on the main menu there in the upper left-hand corner, go to your main menu, and then you'll see the three dots right next to your username there. If you tap into the three dots, you should see an option that says redeem code. Unfortunately, on iOS, this does not work. So what you want to do over there is hop into a web browser on your phone. So Safari, Chrome, it doesn't matter. And then once you have opened up your web browser, you want to go to the URL hsr.hoyoverse.com/gift. I'll put that in the pinned comment as well in the description of this video. And when you go there, it's going to prompt you to log in. So make sure you log into your HSR account. And then once you do that, you select your server. So for me, I'm in the America server. And then you go ahead and type in the redemption code there where it says redemption code, tap or click redeem. When you redeem a code successfully, it will look like this. It'll have a check mark, and then go back to the game, go to your mail in-game, and you'll see all of your redeemed items. If you are on PC, it works very similar. All you would need to do is open up a web browser, it doesn't matter which one, go to this URL, hsr.hoyoverse.com/gift. It'll take you here. You will need to then log into your account, select a server. Like for me, I'm going to select the America servers after I log in. Go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, make sure you select the appropriate server, select your character name, go to the redemption code here and type in the redemption code. Easiest way of doing this is going to a website, type in the month that it is and say all active codes, and then just copy and paste them like I've done here. Click on redeem, and then it'll successfully redeem that code as you see here, and you can go get your items in the in-game mail. That's how you do it both on mobile and on PC. You have any questions, put those in the comment. If it helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.